Dear aspirants, continuing this RRB NTPC GKGS question series, we are here again with 40 more questions in our set 4 of 20. Following the GKGS syllabus, each day we are covering a set of questions which will be important for the upcoming exam. So without delay, let's start. Who among the following was not associated with the founding of the Indian National Congress? Options: Alan Octavian Hume, W. Shiv Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The fundamental duties were added to the constitution by which amendment? 42nd, 44th, 52nd, 61st amendment. Answer is 42nd amendment. Which of the following rivers originates in India and flows through Pakistan? Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias. Answer is Jhelum. The concept of directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from USA, Ireland, UK, USSR. The answer is Ireland. Who was the Governor General of India during the 1857 revolt? Lord Canning, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, Lord Curzon. Answer is Lord Canning. Which Mughal emperor is known as the Jinda Pir? Babur, Akbar, Aurangzeb, Jahangir. Answer is Aurangzeb. The Nobel Prize is not awarded in which of the following fields? Chemistry, peace, mathematics, literature. Answer is mathematics. DNA replication takes place in which phase of the cell cycle? M phase, G1 phase, G2 phase, S phase. Answer is S phase. The strongest type of chemical bond is ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond, metallic bond. Answer is covalent bond. Which index is currently used to measure retail inflation in India? WPI, CPI, GDP deflator, GNP index. Answer is CPI. Which type of unemployment is associated with economic downturns? Seasonal, structural, cyclical, frictional. And the answer is cyclical. The Luni River flows through which Indian state? Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Rajasthan. The largest freshwater lake by volume in the world is Lake Superior, Lake Victoria, Lake Baikal, Lake Tanganyika. Answer is Lake Baikal. The Union list contains 66 subjects, 97 subjects, 47 subjects, 100 subjects. Answer is 100 subjects. Who can initiate impeachment of the president? Lok Sabha only, Rajya Sabha only, either House of Parliament, Supreme Court. Answer is either House of the Parliament. The permanent settlement was introduced in 1790, 1793, 1800, 1813. Answer is 1793. The Battle of Telikota, 1565, led to the downfall of Bahmani Kingdom, Vijayanagara Kingdom, Maratha Confederacy, Mughal Empire. Answer is Vijayanagara Empire. What is the pH of a neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius? Options 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 7. Which enzyme breaks down starch into sugar? Pepsin, lipase, amylase, trypsin. Answer is amylase. A redox reaction involves precipitation, acid-base exchange, oxidation and reduction, neutralization. Answer is oxidation and reduction. Who discovered the neutron? J. J. Thomson, James Chadwick, Rutherford, Niels Bohr. Answer is James Chadwick. Who has won Booker Prize 2024? Samantha Harvey, David Diop, Georgi Gasparinov, Jenny Erpenbeck. Answer is Samantha Harvey for the book Orbital. First ever temple dedicated to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has been inaugurated in Pune, Raigad, Bhiwandi, Nasik. The answer is Bhiwandi. Who has been appointed as the first woman Law Secretary of India? Neeta Verma, Vandana Sharma, Suman Sharma, Anju Rathi Rana. Answer is Anju Rathi Rana. Who became the first astronaut with a disability? John Maxwell, Alan Shepard, Scott Kelly, Chris Hadfield. Answer is John Maxwell. The difference between GDP at market price and GDP at factor cost is net indirect taxes, depreciation, net exports, capital gains. Answer is net indirect taxes. The Treaty of Alinagar was signed between Mir Qasim and the British, Robert Clive and Sirajutdaulah, Tipu Sultan and the British, Hyder Ali and the French. Answer is Robert Clive and Sirajutdaulah. The Charvak school of philosophy is known for atheism, polytheism, Jain ethics, Buddhist metaphysics. Answer is atheism. Which Gupta ruler was also known as Kavi Raja? Chandragupta I, Chandragupta II, Samudragupta, Skandagupta. The answer is Samudragupta. The first Buddhist council was held at Patliputra, Vaishali, Rajgriha, Kashmir. Answer is Rajgriha. The capital of Harappa civilization was Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan. No known capital. Answer is no known capital. Which radioactive element is used in cancer treatment? Uranium, thorium, radium, plutonium. Answer is radium. What is the unit of electrical capacitance? Coulomb, ohm, farad, Henry. Answer is farad. Which law explains the relationship between pressure and volume of a gas? Charles' law, Boyle's law, Avogadro's law, Newton's law. Answer is Boyle's law. The headquarters of the WTO is located in Washington DC, Geneva, New York, Paris. Answer is Geneva. Which of the following rivers crosses the equator twice? Amazon, Congo, Nile, Niger. The answer is Congo. The money bill is defined in which article? Article 109, Article 110, Article 112, Article 113. Answer is Article 110. The Khilji dynasty ruled during 1206 to 1290, 1290 to 1320, 1320 to 1414, 1414 to 1451. Answer is 1290 to 1320. Which IIT launched India's first Hyperloop test track? IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur. Answer is IIT Madras. Which of the following has the highest frequency? Ultraviolet rays, X-rays, gamma rays, infrared rays. The answer is gamma rays. So aspirants, this is it for today. stay with this channel for the rest of the series, and do not forget to comment what was your score in this set, and see you in the next video. Thank you.